Alright, well, you see, I got a video camcorder now, so I won't have to use my iPod or phone. It's pretty nice. 2000 times digital zoom, plus a 70 times extended zoom. Sony, built-in USB cord right here. You can take this out of here like this, and it just goes right in there like that. Oh, hold on. Alright. Zoom, photo, modes, battery charger, battery. I'm gonna get a extended battery on here soon. Right there's where you start your videos. Right there's where your SD card goes. So it's a pretty nice camera. Hopefully it makes you some good videos. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Good zoom. Yeah. Good power, play, light. Don't really know what that is. I have to read about that. Auto or something. But yeah. There's the camera. This is what we'll be making my videos. I'll have a video of me at the track Sunday with me and my friend. So that'll be uploaded probably Sunday afternoon. And yeah, well, here's the camera. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, rate. Yeah.